Welcome back to our channel. This is Hobbiters Ralph, and for today, we are going to deal with this extra math challenge question. And our topic for today is all about the grade 9 mathematics quarter 3 random questions for parallel assessments. And our question for today is, the figures love and hate are similar polygons. The sides for love are 9, 12, 15, and 18 units. The shortest side of hate is 3 units. What are the scale factors of love to hate? The longest side of hate, and which side does the side HA corresponds to? And what is the length of side AT, and which angle does the angle V corresponds to? So let's start. So first, we are going to find the scale factor of the polygon love to the polygon hate. So from the given side of the polygon hate is the shortest side, which is equal to 3. So again, the shortest side of the polygon hate is 3 units. And the given sides for the polygon love are 9, 12, 15, and 18. So that means that the shortest side of the polygon love is 9, because 9 is the smallest, or the minimum side. 9 is the smallest among the sides. Okay, so for love, the shortest side is 9. So to find the scale factor of love to hate, we are going to divide this 9 to 3. So we have 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. That means that 3 is the scale factor of love to hate. So our answer for letter A is 3. Okay? So now let us proceed to question B. So let's erase this first. Okay. So what is the side of the polygon? What is the longest side rather of the polygon hate? So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to draw first the polygon love and the polygon hate. So if we are going to draw the polygon love, this is the polygon love. So this is H, L, O, V, and E. And again, the sides of the polygon love are 9, 12, 15, and 18. And for the polygon hate, so since hate is smaller compared to love, so we have here hate. Polygon hate. Okay, so this H, A, T, and E. So assuming that this is the figure, okay? So since the shortest side of hate is 3, so that means here that is equal to 3. Okay, so because 9 corresponds to 3, or LO corresponds to HA. So remember that the figure or the polygons love and hate are similar polygons. So again, hate is similar to polygon love. So that means that LO, or LO for love, corresponds to HA, or the side LO of the polygon love corresponds to the side HA of the polygon hate. And OV, or the side OV, corresponds to the side AT. The side VA corresponds to the side TE. And lastly, the side LE corresponds to the side HE. Okay? So that means since the longest side of the polygon love is LE, because LE is equal to 18, so LE corresponds to HE. Okay? So that means HE is the longest side of hate. So we have LE, so here. So LE is equal to 18, and let HE is equal to X. Okay? So again, remember that LE corresponds to HE. So let's erase this. So LE corresponds to HE. And remember that LO corresponds to HE. So we have LO all over LE must be equal to HE over HE. Okay? Side LO over the side LE must be equal to side HE over the side HE. So again, LO is equal to 9 and LE is equal to 18. And HE is equal to 3 and HE is equal to x. And solve for the value of x. So by cross multiplication, 9 times x, that is equal to 9x. And 3 times 18, that is equal to 54. And dividing both sides by 9, so we have 9x equals 54. So dividing both sides by 9, so 9 will be cancelled out. So that means x is equal to 54 divided by 9, and that is equal to 6. That means that the side HE, or the longest side of the polygon height, is equal to 6. Okay, 6 units. So that means the answer for letter B is, for the answer here, that is equal to 6. Okay, so now let us proceed to the third item. So let's erase this. Okay, now, so the side HA corresponds to what side of the polygon love? So again, so remember that LO, the side LO corresponds to HA. The side OV corresponds to side AT. The side VE corresponds to side TE. And side LE corresponds to side HE. So as you can see, side HA corresponds to side LO. That means that the answer is side LO. So that is the answer for letter C. So we have here side LO as the final answer for letter C. Now, let us proceed to letter D. So let's erase this. So what is the length of the side AT of the polygon height? So remember that this is the AT. So AT corresponds to OV. So we are going to let AT as Y. So we have LO, side LO over side OV must be equal to side HA over the side AT. Why? Because LO corresponds to HA and OV corresponds to AT. So LO is equal to 9, OV is equal to 12, while side HA is equal to 3, and AT is equal to Y. So by cross multiplication, so 9 times Y is equal to 9Y. 3 times 12, that is equal to 36, and dividing both sides by 9 to find the value of Y, so we have Y is equal to 4. So that means that the length of side AT is equal to 4 units. So we have here 4 units as the answer. Now, so which angle of the side or the polygon HAT does the angle V corresponds to? So let's erase this first. So by observation, H corresponds to L. So angle H corresponds to angle L. Angle A of the polygon height corresponds to angle O. And the angle P of the height corresponds to angle V. And angle E corresponds to angle E. So angle E for the side, for the polygon love is different from the polygon height. So the question is, where does the angle V corresponds to? So as you can see, angle V corresponds to angle P. That means that angle P is the answer for letter E. So again, the answers for the letters A to E. So for letter A, the answer is equal to 3. For letter B, the answer is 6 units. For letter C, the answer is side LO. For letter D, the answer is 4 units. And for letter E, the answer is angle P. and that is the final answer. And if you've liked this video, please don't forget to like and share this video tutorial. And please follow us on Facebook, the Hobbiters on Extra Challenge. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Hobbiters on Extra Challenge, Math Goes Beyond. Again, this is Hobbiter Ralph. See you on our next math tutorial video. Stay negative sa COVID!